time of, it's a combination of Noah's Ark, Arcada, and Barcada. So Noah's Ark, during Noah's time, a lot of people were lost, a lot of people were deceived, and they were also laughing at Noah because they didn't believe na the flood was coming. In the same way, today, a lot of people are really lost also. A lot of people are deceived and they lost their identity also. And it is in the same way, we are building an ark sana that can bring people to God. We want to have people who you can really look up to, who can really guide you, you can really follow, who can really give positive values sa life natin.
We have already been trying to come up with contents. We believe kasi that contents are really important and influential. We believe na with the right content we can make a big difference. No, it's really about helping to reform our community. We thought of it because we believe that ito yung hope natin ngayon. Ito yung hope natin ngayon. Parang we need an ark that will somehow help cleanse the world, that will cleanse the current generation, that will in a way transform it. Hindi natin sinasabi that will eliminate, but more of that will bring about changes, transformation to our community right now.
Exodus 14:13, ang nakasulat doon, "Fear ye not, stand still and see the salvation of the Lord, which He will show to you today." So si Moses ang nagsabi nun sa mga Israelites. No, growing up, hindi ko pa alam kung ano ang meaning nun. Pero eventually, I realized that it's a very powerful verse na sinasabi ng Panginoon sa atin na una, huwag tayong matakot. Pangalawa, you have to stand still. Huwag kang mataranta sa kung ano man ang sitwasyon mo. At pangatlo, antayin mo at makikita mo ang pagligtas ng Panginoon sa buhay mo sa kahit na anong sitwasyon na meron ka.
Papasalamat ako kasi naging part ako ng Arcada movement kasi para kay Lord to. And yun din yung purpose ng page ko kasi makilala ng mga tao, ng mga followers ko si Lord, kung ano yung character ni Lord. So para hindi mailayo. Kasi sa social media, alam niyo na, 'di ba, maraming entertainment na wala namang kabuluhan. So, yun yung purpose natin. And yun yung purpose ng Arcada movement na yun, ma-align yung tao sa Lord. Maturo ng Arcada yung mga tao sa Lord.